In 2000, Boeing sued NASA for a patent known as low temperature underaging process for lithium bearing alloys. This was for a light aluminum alloy that they were intending to use for the structure of aircraft. This would allow for a lighter weight aircraft, which could either carry more passengers or use less fuel and be more energy efficient. And so when NASA contracted out the design for the external fuel tanks in its shuttle rockets to Lockheed Martin, Lockheed used this particular aluminum alloy in order to develop the tanks. That would allow for lighter tanks and a larger percentage of the weight of the rocket to be given toward payload, and which is very expensive, so it is a valuable trade-off. They began using that on the shuttles starting in 1998, and Boeing claimed that NASA had infringed on that patent. They originally accused Lockheed, and Lockheed turned it over to NASA. And so within the litigation, which began in 2000, it was found that NASA had indeed infringed on the patents. And originally Boeing was claiming that they wanted 3.5% royalties for all of the shuttles that were developed. The government stepped in and said, no, we're not going to do that, that we will give you a percent of the hardware fee, but nothing including the development of the technology or of the tank design. And so as a result, Boeing did win the settlement. They were given or paid $28.3 million by NASA because NASA had used the technology, and that case was amicably resolved.